Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add a new page to your app projects in Retool. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so navigate to the app project inside the Retool app, log into your account, click into apps in the top left, and here under apps select one of your projects by clicking into edit. Here inside the app editor, click into the second option on the left sidebar from the top, pages. And here you will see the menu of all pages inside your app project. So as you can see, this example app contains 2 pages so far. If you'd like to create a new one, click into this plus button, select page, or you may copy page from app. I will go with this one, and that is going to create a blank page with the editing space here. So here you may add components, for example, like, I don't know, buttons, text boxes, content for your app. That's it. You may navigate through your pages here, page 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.